are we? Look, look. We're flying.
Baju pelampung ini mempunyai satu pipa tiup. Jika perlu, tiup seperti ini untuk menambah angin dalam pelampung.
Your life smoking in any form, including e-cigarette, is lavatory, will activate the smoke.
We're not flying. No. Close the camera. Close the camera.
No, I want to record you.
Mom, where are we?
Where are we? We are at Medan.
Medan is right here.
Yeah.
Medan.
And we are going to
Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur.
We're flying. We're flying. Are we flying now?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're flying. We are flying. Where are we right now?
We are on the sky already.
No. From the map.
We can check from here.
Oh, that sun is too bright. The sun's here.
The sun is too bright.
Oh, we're flying. We're flying. We're flying.
Yeah.
Flying. The sun's hitting me.
Are you excited?
Yeah. But the sun was hitting me.
The sun is hitting you.
Yeah, it hit me in the hair. See, it hitting me again. Ah, I don't want to get bit. Flying. I believe it.
Can you see the house? Can you see the cars? Can you see the roads from up here?
I see the house is tiny and I don't see the road.
The houses are tiny.
Yeah, the house was really tiny.
Looks like Lego from here.
Yeah, Lego. Oh, no Lego. It's not Lego.
Bye.
Bye.
Wait, we arrived at Kuala Lumpur already. Are you sleepy? Yes. So are you staying here? I want to go down. You want to go down with me? How was your trip?